Hello guys. So one of the important topic in algebra is about quadratic equation wherein it's always in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. And remember that a should not equal to 0. And here's the formula in finding the roots. We have alpha and beta is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So always remember this formula. And we have the discriminant. So the quantity b squared minus 4ac is called the discriminant. So quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 has two distinct roots. Remember, two distinct roots. If b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, and two equal real roots if b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, and no real roots if b squared minus 4ac is less than 0. Let's have an example. Let's have x squared plus 4x minus 5 equals 0. So this is in the form of quadratic equation wherein we have ax squared plus bx plus c. So this is in the form. So in this particular example, we have our a value is equal to 1, and our b value is equal to 4, and our c value is equal to negative 5. So do not forget to put negative sign. And in finding the roots now, we have the formula. So our formula in finding the roots of a quadratic equation, this is our formula. So what we're just gonna do now is we're just gonna substitute the value for a, b, and c. So we have our x, our b is equal to 4, so we have negative 4 plus and minus. Do not forget our sign, plus or minus. Then b squared minus 4ac, our b is equal to 4, so 4 squared minus 4, our a is equal to 1, and our c is equal to negative 5 over 2a. Our a is equal to 1. Then we'll continue. So finding for the roots of this particular quadratic equation. And so in here, our x now, our x is equal to negative 4 plus and minus. We have 4 square. 4 square is equal to 16 minus 4 times negative 4 times 1 is negative 4 times negative 5 is positive 20. So positive 20 over 2 times 1 is equal to 2. So we have continue negative 4 plus and minus 16 plus 20, that would be square root of 36 over 2, which is equal now to negative 4 plus and minus square root of 36. Square root of 36, that would be 6 over 2. So we have, let's continue on this side. So we have now x is equal to, we have negative 4 before, plus and minus 6. Remember, we have to divide it by 2, both of them, so divided by 2. So we have now negative 4 over 2, that would be negative 2, plus and minus 6 over 2, that would be 3. So let's perform now the operation in here. the plus and minus sign. So because we have two real roots, so we have c is equal to -2 plus 3. What is -2 plus 3? Which is equal to 1. And we have the other, we have -2 minus 3, that would be equal to -5. So we have now the roots of the problem: x squared plus 4x minus 5 equals 0. The roots now is this one, so we have 1 and -5. So let's say, so our roots is equal to x is equal to 1 and -5. How about the discriminant? We're going to check about the discriminant. So we have in here, so b squared minus 4ac. So let's substitute. Our b before is 4, so 4 squared minus 4 times a is 1 and c is -5. So 4 squared is 16 minus 4 times 1 is -4 times -5. That would be positive 20. So we have now 36 in here. What we should remember about discriminant? So remember that for the discriminant we have two distinct roots. If b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, so 36, so remember 36 is greater than 0, so greater than 0, so we have two distinct roots. So we have two distinct roots. So what is our roots again for our problem? So we have our roots is equal to 1 and -5. So that's all for now. Hope you like it, and if you have some um, questions, leave it in the comment. Please do not forget to like and share. So thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe.